Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. Every time I've been squirting the windscreen washer jets, it absolutely stinks. I think there's got some sludge and dirt inside the water bottle. So I'm just going to show you how to flush the system out and hopefully get it all smelling sweetly fresh. Right, let's go. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open the bonnet or the hood, and there's a link above now about how to do that. And the windscreen washer bottle to top it up is there, and it goes all the way down through the engine bay, and the actual bottle holder is down here underneath this wheel arch behind this cover. So what we need to do is we need to get that cover off there, and we do that by undoing 3 screws underneath here. These are tamper-proof bits, so you just need a star-shaped sprocket for these. And then we've got some in the wheel arch as well. So let's just whip these off, and I'll speed this up. So we've got 3 tamper-proof bits here. Okay, so that is these 3 all done. Okay, once you've got those 3 released, you can just pull this flap down very gently. Now what we need to do is get into the wheel arch and remove those tamper-proof screws. So there's one here. Let's just get this undone. Again, I'll speed this up. And then there's another one just here. So let's just whip that off. And there is a link above now about the windscreen washer jets not working on the VW T5 and how I fixed that. Okay, so that is these screws removed. So now that just gives you enough access to get access to the windscreen washer fluid bottle. And there it is. And that is the electric motor there, which pumps up the water to your windscreen washers on the front and the rear. Now to take off this bottle would be a right kerfuffle, so literally what I'm going to do is just flush out the system, get rid of all the dirt and sludge which is probably sitting at the very base of it, which is why it's making it stink. Okay, so this pump just prizes out of the clips there, and as you prize it out you just need to lift it upwards. And there we go. Then we've got obviously the rest of the water pouring out of the bottle. So make sure you get the electrics away from that water. Tuck that away as far as you can. And we'll just let that drain off. Now what we're going to do to flush the system out is just put loads and loads of fresh tap water into it at the top and just keep flushing the system out. So that is the pump there. It just sits inside. Nice and easy to remove. Right, let's fill up a watering can with fresh tap water. Don't be tempted to use water from a water butt, because then it's just going to end up being stinky again. Right, so I'm just going to take the filter out and put a funnel in and just start filling up. Obviously make sure you're doing this outside, don't do it in your garage, because you're going to fill up your garage with water unless you've got a tray to catch all the water. I'm outside, so it's all okay. And there we can see it flushing out. So this is at the bottom. It's so pretty. What a lovely water feature. Right, I'm just going to give it a bit of a smell. Smelling a lot better. Already smelling better, so I'm just going to fill up another watering can and flush it out once more. So this is about 5 litres, 10 litres in total to flush the whole system out. And there it goes, woohoo! And there is a link above now about the fuse box locations on your Volkswagen T5 and how to check the fuses. So this water that is pouring out now is smelling sweetly fresh. A lot better. It was absolutely stinking before. stinking. Right, so we're going to put the pump back in. So just push that nozzle down, get it in that hole, and then just push it inwards towards that clip, and it should just clip in. There we go. And just push it into the clip, so that's all nice and secure. Right, we now need to fill it back up. Right, so you need your all-season screen wash. If it's summer, you don't need too much of this, about 1 parts of this to 4 parts water. If it's coming up to winter, you need a lot more of this because it's got antifreeze built into it. It's just to stop it freezing. Right, so I've put the screen wash in. Now I'm just going to fill it up with the fresh tap water. And there we go, full up. So let's just put the lid back on. And we just need to put these nuts back in, sorry, the screws back in. Just check there's no leaks, which there isn't. So let's get these screws back in. I won't take you through all this. This is just a reversal of what we took out earlier. As with anything, screws or nuts, just hand tighten them first before you put the tool on there to tighten them up. You don't need to over tighten these. And there's a link above now about how to replace the rear wiper blade on your VW T5. Okay, so these nuts are in. And then just tighten up the ones under the wheel arch. Oh, and let's have a lovely cup of tea. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to give them a squirt now after I've flushed out the system and filled it all up again and see what it smells like. Oh. Right, let's give them a squirt. Looking good, but is it smelling good? Oh, that is so much better. Honestly, it was absolutely stinking before. Just stunk. That is so much better. Great job. Great job. If you would like more how-tos and helpful tips and life hacks, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. Thanks for watching.